Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this graphic liner with two color combinations that I've always loved, which is that rusty orange and teal. I've always loved that color combination. So I wanted to play with some color today. I wanted to try a new technique, something that I've never done on my channel. So if you want to see how I got this look, let's go. Okay guys, so this is what we are going to be recreating today. I'm still unsure of whether I want to fill that in, but we're going to just see. So I'm going to take this palette by Natasha Denona. This is the Holiday 02 Aries palette, and we're going to be using this color here. I have been using this wet, so I take a flat shader brush like this, take a little bit of spray water, which I'm using the Evian water, and I'm just going to dip into this and then really start laying down the actual shape. So something to consider is I'm using the edge of the brush to create the shape of the actual shadow placement, and I'm not taking this color past this here, so I'm not actually blending it up into the crease. I'm keeping it just under, and the reason for that is because we're going to take that liner into the crease. And if I feel like I've gone up too high, I just kind of take my concealer brush and then clean it up. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Blue Peep liner by MAC. This is old. Use whatever you have. Use whatever makes your little soul happy. You don't need to use these colors. I've just always been a fan of like this burnt orange and teal. So I'm just going to take this color right across the lid. And as you guys can see, it doesn't really show up right away, so I'm going to have to slowly build it. Okay, so for my wing, what I typically do is I lift up a little bit and then I just kind of start playing with the placement. I'm going to take a Q-tip here and just kind of clean this up, and bam, I have my wing. Woo! The hard part now is going to be to get the line. Again, I like to take this you've seen it here, lo vieron en vivo. This is how I do my wing liner. Okay, so the hard part now is going across the lid, because I don't know how I'm going to do that without getting close to the mirror, which is what I've been doing. As you guys can see, I've kind of messed up the shape here, so I'm just going to take a little bit of my shadow and perfect that line. Don't worry about this, we can fix that. But as you guys can see, this mother flower is the difficult eye to work with. So I'm just taking this across, and then I'm holding my eye taut a little bit and slowly moving my way in. Again, don't worry about the imperfection in the liner itself, because we're going to clean it up. Right now, we really just want to work at getting this liner through. Okay, so now I'm going to take my liner brush, which is my MAC 210 super thin brush, and I'm going to clean up this mess here. And I'm going to just wet my brush, and I'm going to dip it into that same rusty orange shade that we used. And I'm going to take this mirror so that I can really see where I need to clean the line up. You really want the shadow to be wet so that you have fluidity and ease in filling in the shape. We did it, guys. we did it. So I'm going to apply my mascara and we'll come back and I can walk you guys through what I did. Alright guys, so I took this Marc Jacobs liner and this is in the shade Glitz Blitz and I use that in the waterline. It's a very subtle rose gold. And then I'm going to take this Dior gloss. Just want to see what this looks like. I feel like we need a little pop of something else on the lips. I'm going to take this NARS lip pencil in Timan Faya. I don't know. It's just an orange. And I'm going to use this. I've already started to kind of add a little bit of like a popsicle effect to the lip. Yeah, I like the way this looks. All right, guys. So this is what the final eye looks like. I know that this side looks slightly different than this one, but you guys have to remember that you really have to work with your eye shape. And that may mean making accommodations to kind of make your eyes match. You guys know that this eye is slightly more hooded than this one, so I had to make adjustments to make sure that my eyes were as even as possible. So this is what the final look is. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to give you guys a bold lip option because I just feel like we really need that pop. So if you want to see the bold lip option, hold up. Alright guys, here is the final lip option. I think I needed more of that orange to peek through on the lip. I like the way that this look turned out. It's different. I know it's not what we're all going to be wearing to work or to the office, but I've been wanting to play with different techniques and see what I can do. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to let me know down below in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.